If you're buying coconut milk powder from the store, make sure the ingredients is coconut milk powder and nothing else. Or sometimes because of the processing issue that they have, they cannot just use coconut milk powder and they have to add some maltodextrin. You want to go for tapioca maltodextrin, and you want to make sure that percentage of your tapioca maltodextrin is below 5%. Below 7%, unfortunately, they don't have to report it. So you really have to dig in and you have to call the company and have to see what they added to your coconut milk powder. But you definitely want to avoid the corn maltodextrin. Most of them are genetically modified and they're very, very detrimental to the gut microbiome.